Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to be painting the steelies on the back of the 31 black, hopefully. And the plan is just to give the 31 a good wash. I've still got all of that dry powder from when the fire extinguisher went off at Matsuri. So yeah, gotta clean up all that mess. I think Chris is trying to fix his oil leak on his S13.
I didn't say that. No, not yet. I'm checking. I've got flow in my turbo.
Aha! So yeah, Chris got a new turbo. We covered that in the last video. And what he's going to do is he's just going to take off the oil feed and then turn it over and see if the oil is actually getting to the turbo. So yeah, that's the plan for this video. If you guys enjoy it, give it a thumbs up, tell some friends about the channel. And like always, if you subscribe, your name will go into the end of the next video. Update on Chris's car, he's got it up, taking the drain off. I'm going to turn the key and we're hopefully going to see heaps of oil piss into a little bucket. Thank you, sir. Leave it running.
Yeah. We good?
We good?
Yeah.
Mad. Hey. So the reason we're doing this is we weren't sure if the turbo was getting adequate oil, so it's a good...
Double check because I thought we weren't sure. We just wanted to make sure it was because we don't want it to die.
Yeah.
But this happened instead.
O2 sensor plug.
Hoping I can just get the plug.
Yeah, you'd be
because
sweet.
the whole thing is
Expensive.
like $150.
Eek. Hell yeah. I like the way it's looking at the moment. It's quite funny, this is probably the first or the second time I've ever actually cleaned this car. It looks better. It's still such a pig. But I love it. It's so mad. So yeah, plan for now, I think I'm just gonna... Isn't the jack slightly going down? Okie dokie, that's on the toe ball support there, so that'll be golden. Took these wheels off, gonna get some paint thinners out and just take the paint off the tyres. Doesn't have to be perfect, but something to make them look a little bit more presentable. I'm gonna get new tyres anyway, but for the meantime. And then use paint thinners on the tyre valve stems, get them looking better. And then wheels a quick sand, mask them up and paint them. Just got some black paint laying around, should do the job. Whoops, I was just filming nothing for a bit there. It started to rain. I'm just going to put these out of the rain. Keep going. Sweet as, we're all good to paint. Hey, just so you know, I know this is going to turn out like absolute crap, but at least the front wheels and the rear wheels might be sort of a similar black. We'll have to wait and see. Just going to wait for this rain cloud to go past because it's still spitting. Oh, it's really starting to rain now, but woohoo! Apart from that rear tyre, mint. I'm stoked. So mad. Looks a bit gross, but it's better. Hell yeah. It's the best this car's looked in my ownership. I'm stoked. So yeah, hell yeah, the car's on full set of steelies. I need to get some sort of wheel alignment and I'll fix out that camber issue, and then I might be able to put the 25mm spacers on, pump the front guards and actually have it sit in mint. Or I'll have to get a 15mm spacer in, I don't know, we'll figure it out. Anyway, come to the end of the video. If you guys enjoy, give it a thumbs up, tell some friends about the channel, and like always, if you subscribe, your name goes at the end of the next video. Cheers. Oh.